In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a page as the home page with Elementor. Whether you're designing a website from scratch or simply updating an existing one, knowing how to designate a specific page as your home page is crucial for directing traffic and ensuring your visitors land exactly where you want them to. Let's dive right into the process and make it as seamless as possible. First off, you'll want to make sure that you have Elementor set up on your WordPress site. This is absolutely key as Elementor is the tool we'll be using to create and customize our web pages. If you haven't done this yet, head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Plugins section, and click Add New. Type Elementor in the search bar and then select the Install button. Once installed, go ahead and click Activate to start using it. Next, with Elementor set up, you'll need to create a new page or identify the page you would like to set as your home page. If you're creating a new one, simply go to the Pages section in your WordPress dashboard, then click on Add New. Give your page a title, something indicative of its purpose, like Home or Main Page. Once that's done, click on the Edit with Elementor button. This action will open the Elementor editor where you can begin crafting your page content using its intuitive drag and drop interface. Now, let's say your page is already created and you'd like to set it as your home page. Head back to the WordPress dashboard and click on Settings in the left-hand menu, then select Reading. This is where you control your site's default home page. Under the Your Home Page Displays section, choose the A Static Page option. You'll see two drop-down menus. Click on the first one labeled Homepage and select the page you've just created or chosen using Elementor. This simple step tells WordPress to display this specific page whenever someone visits your website's root URL. Another important part of using Elementor effectively is customizing your newly designated home page to ensure it truly represents your website's brand or theme. Make use of Elementor's wide array of templates, widgets, and style settings. You can alter every aspect of the page, from the layout, fonts, and colors, to the images and even animations, to make it visually appealing and functional. Lastly, don't forget to save all your changes. After customizing your home page with Elementor, click the Publish button or update the page to ensure all modifications are saved and visible to your visitors. Remember, keeping your design fresh and up to date is essential to engaging your audience and enhancing your site's user experience. And there you have it. Setting a page as your home page using Elementor is just that simple. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful Elementor tips and tricks.